everybody, it's Dr. Mark at US 1061757 Auto Events and the Your Coastal Virginia Auto Show. We're out here at the HRADA International Auto Show. I'm out here with my guest, Tommy Starnes. Tommy Starnes, you're part of the Ultimate Muscle Contest. What do you feel, man?
Well, I'm just happy to be here.
There we go. I love it. All right, so what did you bring out?
I brought a 1969 Chevelle Malibu.
Uh-huh.
It's a driver car. She did the Hot Rod Power Tour in 2018. And lucky me, I won the Holly Sniper, so now she has Holly Sniper electronic fuel injection.
Right, that's pretty cool. Did you put that in yourself or had some help with that?
Yeah, everything on this car I do myself.
Okay, I got you. So that's fantastic. So this thing has some miles on it. It's been to a lot of the local shows and all that. And then here recently, you've become the president of the Virginia Chevy Lovers. Is that right?
That's correct.
All right,
I'm following in the heels of John Herbert, who everybody knows John Herbert.
There we go.
I'm just looking forward to a good year for our club.
For sure.
We've got our big show in the spring, the annual Spring Dust Off.
That's right.
So we want to see everybody come out and support that, and it's all for good. Our charity is the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation.
Right.
And we love the fact that we are able to support them, and we do it in a big way.
That's right.
The numbers are big.
Yeah. So we have great sponsors out there. It's always a well-attended event as well, just like this International Auto Show here. So again, they've got all new cars on the inside. We have these muscle cars on the outside. You guys are competing against each other, and our fans get to come out here and they get to vote. You know, so the one who gets the most votes out here of this ultimate muscle car, you guys are going to win $1,000, and then the guys who are voting, you get a chance to win $500 just by coming out here and voting. It doesn't cost you anything, right?
That sounds like a good plan to me. Okay, so everybody, you need to vote for my 69 Chevelle.
What's this one's name? What do you call this
Her
one?
name is Norma Jean.
There we go.
And I did not name her.
Okay.
She was named Norma Jean by the young lady that owned the car before me.
Okay.
She had even made up a show board with pictures of Marilyn and all that stuff. So
carrying the torch.
Well, I'm a big believer that you let a car be what it's supposed to be.
I like it.
And she was already Norma Jean. I wasn't about to change that.
Oh yeah, and then also we're friends on Facebook, so we've seen a little bit of the history of this engine in, engine out, engine in, engine out.
Yeah, well, I'm not the world's best mechanic. I do my own work, and yeah, sometimes I have to do a little rework.
Right. But anyhow, she got her up and running now, been doing well for you, right?
Absolutely. She's a blast to drive, and there's nowhere I go that I don't get people, straining their necks and give me the thumbs up.
You got it. And then also, for those of you that don't know, this isn't the only one in the stable, right? You got some other wild stuff at the house.
Well, yeah, I got a couple of toys. My wife's got a little 98 Corvette that she likes to drive around town. I'm restoring a 1972 Corvette. That's a big block car. And that should be probably on the show circuit by early spring, late summer.
Nice.
Somewhere in there.
Yeah.
Notice that wide range.
Yeah.
It takes a while to get these cars right.
Right.
And then, of course, our drag toy. We've got an 81 Camaro that we like to take out and drag race.
That's it. So that's the latest thing, and that's the Camaro what?
It's an 81 Camaro. Just I have no idea which model it was, but it's a back cab car, small block. I don't know. We're probably going to run in the high sixes on the 8th mile.
Awesome. Fantastic. So anyways, you guys, we are out here this weekend, January the 7th through the 9th. It's the Hampton Roads Dealer Association International Auto Show. You guys make your way out here. Vote for your favorite muscle car out here. Norma Jean is going to be right up front and center, so you guys are going to have an easy vote, right?
Absolutely.
All right, Tommy.
And I'll be out here waving the Norma Jean flag a lot.
All right, thanks for your time. Good luck this weekend. We'll see you guys real soon on the road. Bye, guys.